What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am bringing you a super cool project called Funky Wolves. Now before we get into it, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. So let's get right in and let's hopefully have some fun. So guys, the first thing I want to point out is look how immersive this website is. Look at this, right? You are really in the story with this, right? So overview of the website. I'm getting too excited already. We got the story up the top, Funk Formula, the team, and across we've got their socials. And of course, we have the immersive backgrounds as well. As you scroll down, you are going to see how incredible this website is. Now, if you want to look at the standard one, you can, but I want to show you exactly what happens here. So you scroll in, you're going through this sort of colorful, vibrant neon jungle, all right? And it starts to take you to the different parts. So only wolves enter the den, all right? You've got to select one of the options below to bring the funk. It's just the coolest website I've ever had. I'm going to go with, let's have a look at the Funky Pass first. All right, that's going to take us through and it's going to show us what this NFT is. And going through it says only wolves enter the den. Now, I want to actually show you what this is first, all right? So this is the wolves, all right? It's a NFT project that has been hyping up all over online for a long time now, getting ready. And it's finally here and ready, booming, all right? The actual Genesis collection sold out in 9 minutes. All right, we'll get to that in a second, but I want to just show you a few things on here. So let's start off with the mint details. All right, so the mint for the Funky Pass mint is an all-exclusive package of funk. All right, it's going to be on the ground floor of the Funky movement. The holders of the Funky Pass have access to the pre-sale of the Funky Wool NFT. It's going to be minted on the ERC 721 contract, all right, which is Ethereum if you didn't know. The private whitelist is Thursday the 19th, so if you've got that, fantastic, all right, it's going to be 6 hours and it's going to be a free mint. Then you're going to have the collection allocation, all right, 500 to supply. It's going to be 450 Funky Passes. That's to the private whitelist. Then there's going to be 20 allocated to each team member, locked for 6 months in total. Then 30 passes, which is going to be allocated to the treasury for future marketing. Whitelisted wallets, they'll be able to mint 1, right? And the wallet checker tool will be available nearer to the mint date. The royalties on the secondary market are 6.5% of each. Now we've talked about the actual mint details. Let me have a look at the Funky Pass, all right? This Genesis collection sold out in 9 minutes. It's insane, and we're sitting at a floor of about, let's have a look, 0.099 right now, which in this market is very, very good, all right? I'm a massive, massive fan of this project. I love how immersive it can be. This is linked on OpenSea. Please only use links like the links down below, or you might go to a site that is not real. Please only use trusted links. Now let's go back and see what else we can look at. I want to have a look at the whitelist checker, so you can put your ETH address in here. If you want to check if you're whitelisted, click the search button and it will tell me I'm not, unfortunately, but I wish I was. All right, let's go back and actually see what else we can see on this site. Cool, so now we are going up to the Wolves Den. All right, you can enter in 20 days, 8 hours, 5 minutes, and from now, 48 seconds. All right, this is when we're going to start getting in. Okay, the experience will show you on there. Let's have a quick look at their vision, okay? Their vision is to create a platform that welcomes all the largest and most exciting decentralized interactive brands on the side of the metaverse. They don't just want to be an outside name. They want everybody to be involved and get in here, right? Their values, community first, funk before fluff, and embracing the wild. So you can see near enough everything they're doing here is for the people, all right? They also have it going into the physical world, the funky wear, the collectibles, growing the pack, brand awareness, everything like that. Super, super exciting on all this, right? Partnerships and collaborations. I actually know that they have collaborations with 8list, all right? That's at the 8list. They have it with Doodles, all right? They have it with Llamaverse. Things like that. Like, this is getting huge, okay? Huge in what you think is going on. And I see this going massive. Their token is S-Token, all right? The tokenomics are going to be announced, and it's intimidating. Yes, in the face of both, the pack stands together. I love every single thing about this. And like I said, them collaborations that we've got going on are huge. A quick look at the team, all right? They've got their wolf up there to show who they are. Please click on them, all right? Please feel free to scroll along and you can actually see the whole team here. I want you to go through them and have a look and read about what they bring to the team. Never do any investing or any purchases unless you are fully committed and you know everything about it, all right? Do your own research. Now let's have a look at the Twitter. Their Twitter, guys, is at Funky Wolves. All right, hit the big follow button. They've got 57.1 thousand followers, and they're getting some nice engagement, nearly 1,000 likes on this. The Wolves are sitting around watching a projector. They put really cool stuff on here, right? Some about their partnerships as well. I like this because it's a play on the Forbes magazine. All right, super, super cool. Give them a follow. Let them know you're from this channel. Say, George sent me, and I'm about to get myself a Wolves pass. All right, I want a funky pass, and George sent me here to get one. Say that on there. So what's the story here, guys? Away from the grind and into the forest, all right? The drudgery, the routine, the same, tamed by the world of constricted by the times, feels like our entire lives are planned out, all right? The only question is, where can we go? That's what they're asking you. Now, you can read this whole story and you will be immersed just like I was, okay? Then it's a Wolf NFT project, okay? It's a place free from politics, division, strife, brand for a future, and a future shaped by us, all right? Unbound world. Wolves band together long ago. They found solace in a den, a place hidden in the forest, protected by ancient magic. You can see that when you go into the Immersive website, exactly what I'm talking about. If you don't know what MGMI is, it's we're gonna make it. I love every time I see that because they are definitely gonna make it, all right? Only wolves enter the den, so you can enjoy the exclusive community. You get this little clubhouse you can actually go in and have your NFTs in there and hang out with different people. Unleash the beast, become a funky wolf, all right? The tall teller, which we will see on the Immersive website. You can actually go in there and have a look at the NFTs, have a look at the whitelist, have a look at the passes. We'll talk about the passes as well. These actually sold out, like I've told you before. These have sold out in 9 minutes, the Genesis. I'm so excited for the new ones to come out because it's going to blow you away. So that's a bit of an overview of the project that we do have here. So guys, I hope you're as excited as me. Any project that sells out in 9 minutes is for sure one of the biggest projects that will be going through the bull run when it begins. They actually raised 500,000 in angel round funding. All right, the storytelling and the art on the Twitter is what enticed me here. It's what made me want to give this video, and it's why a lot of people are getting involved in this. All right, the perks are outstanding. I'm super excited. If you love this video, hit the like button. If you want to stay and watch all these videos, hit the subscribe button. If you want to be notified when the video is about to happen, hit the bell and we will notify you. Thank you so much and have a blessed day.